Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the new class. My name is Abdul Wadu Dawan and today I will discuss with you the contents of the book and the Federal Board pattern paper. First of all, the contents. For this purpose, you have to purchase the book of English 10th Karwan Book House, Lahore, and the contents of the book will be there will be total 13 chapters, starting from the first chapter, that is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an embodiment of justice, and the last one is faithfulness. So you have to cover all these chapters in the 10th class in order to appear in the final board exams. Then comes the Federal Board pattern. Let's move towards the pattern. Pattern in the paper pattern, there are total 3 sections. First one is section A, and section A is MCQ based section. There will be around about 15 MCQs, and section A is same as that was in the 9th class. You will have to opt 15 MCQs for 15 marks, and out of these 15 MCQs, 8 MCQs will be based on grammar and 7 will be based on the chapters. Then move towards the section B. Section B, a subjective part, that is of total for 34 marks. Question 2 is answer any 5 questions from the following parts, about 30 to 40 words, same as that was in the 9th class. Each question carries 3 marks. Equal marks means 3 marks. You have to attempt only 5 questions out of 7 questions. There is the choice for 2 questions. So 5 questions will be of 15 marks. Question number 2. Then question number 3 will be part A, write down the theme of the poem. Try again. In 10th class, you don't have to paraphrase the stanza. Here you will have only to write the theme of the poem. There are 3 poems in your 10th class, so you have to write down the theme for 3 marks. So in 10th class, there is no paraphrasing for any stanza. Paraphrasing is replaced with the theme for 3 marks. And the part B of the question number 3 is stanza based question. It is same as that was in the 9th class. You have to read the stanza, and after reading the stanza you will have to answer the questions given at the end of that stanza. So it's same as that was in the 9th class. You will have to answer for the 3 questions for 6 marks, and the question number 3 is as the whole carries 9 marks. Then move towards the question number 4, that is different from the 9th class. This is a question that is also called a comprehension passage question. A passage will be given, and after reading the passage carefully, you will have to answer the questions given at the end. There will be total 4 questions, and these passages are given in the grammar book. There are total 15 unsolved exercises. You will have to practice those for the completion of this 10th class, and after reading the passage you will have to answer the question. 3 questions will be based on exactly on the passage you will find easily. The question number 4 will be summarize the passage in your own words, means you will have to write the précis of that passage. That is an important question, and that will be for 5 marks. Means you can easily get 5 marks by answering the first 3 questions, and for question number 4 you will have to do a lot of practice for précis writing. Then move towards the section C for 26 marks, and the question is question number 5, part A. Change any 4 of the following sentences into indirect. In 10th there will be no active or passive voice. You will have to change into indirect speech. You will be provided 6 sentences, and you have to opt only 4 and change them into indirect. Or sentences will be given, you will have to change. Part B is use any 4 of the prepositional phrases, phrasal verbs in sentences. Phrasal verbs will be given, and you have to make a meaningful sentences. So this question is totally different from the ninth class. Question number 5 for total 8 marks. There are no active passive voice in 10th class and there is no translation in 10th class. Question number 6 is write an application to the managing director, or you will have to write an application for 8 marks, or here will be the choice: write a letter to the editor of newspaper. Write a letter as you have written a letter in class 9th, but the letter in class 10th will be different. Here you will have to write a formal letter. In 9th you did the informal writing. Now you will have to write an formal letter in 10th class for 8 marks. Question number 7 is write an essay on any one of the following topics between 150 to 200 words for 10 marks. 3 topics will be provided, and topics will be maybe seen or unseen. Mostly at least one topic will be from the grammar book, as here is mentioned as courtesy, that is included in your grammar book, and other topics will be unseen. So in 10th class there is no dialogue writing, there is no translation. You have to write an essay for 10 marks. This is the complete paper pattern. Before going to start reading, or before going to start learning in 10th class, all of you have to understand this paper pattern and write this pattern at the end of your notebook, neat notebooks, for future learnings or future references. Thank you so much.